Hello everyone, this is Harsha. Welcome to my channel Crypto English. So hi guys, in today's video we're going to talk about another interesting topic. So in this video, if you're following my channel, last week we have 2k $500 to 5000 airdrop grinding challenge. So in this video, in week 2, I'll be making around 15 transactions with only $3 of capital, and we will be covering some of the important things. So if you go to the LayerZero website and if you scroll down, and here you can see some important bridges in the website which are listed. So there are Aptos Bridge, BTC Bridge, USDC Bridge and Testnet Bridge. So USDC Bridge is currently down and Testnet Bridge we will keep it for next week. So in this video we will cover BTC Bridge and Aptos Bridge by spending only $3 in the fees, and many of the users who are grinding for LayerZero airdrop are only focusing on Stargate Finance, and many of them are avoiding Aptos Bridge and BTC Bridge because of big fees. So in this video I'll show you simple steps. With only $3 we'll do this particular both the bridges. So let's begin guys. So before starting the video, if you are here for the first time, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, click the like button. If you have any doubts or clarification, leave them in the comment section below. In this video, like target is 500 likes, so definitely click the like button right away. So let's begin the video guys. So this first thing, let's start with our wallet balance and then we'll continue. So before starting the video, my wallet balance in the airdrop grinding wallet is around $445. At the end of last week it was around $440. We are up by $5 because Ethereum price has gone up. So this price may fluctuate because we are holding some Ethereum in our wallet. So now let's start. So first let's go to the Stargate Finance and do some task of which were pending for last week. So here you click on farm. If you remember, we have staked around $100 worth of USDT into this pool. So just select that, and here you can see a claim button. So we got the Stargate tokens farmed for the 1 week. Just click on claim, complete the MetaMask transaction, and we have successfully receiving 0.15 STG tokens. So now we got the tokens. So now let's go to the stake tab and stake these tokens. So these tokens we got it for free by staking. So just select that. Click on max, and now we are staking these tokens for 36 months. In return, we'll be receiving a voting power of 0.14 VESTG. So which will be used for voting in the Stargate Finance ecosystem. So which we will do in the next feature. So just click on approve, complete the MetaMask transaction. Once the approval is completed, you can do the actual transaction. So now we have successfully got the voting power. In case if there is any Stargate Finance voting in future, I'll definitely post a tweet on my Twitter handle, so do follow me on Twitter. So now we have done the first task. So let's go to the transfer tab and let's send some tokens to Avalanche chain. So now if you remember, on last week we kept some USDT in our Binance Smart chain, and now we will bridge those tokens to Avalanche chain to USDC. So here we are doing two things. We are activating our Avalanche chain, and we are also doing a swap come bridge. So here usually many users do that. They will swap only, they will bridge only USDT to other chain. So here we are bridging USDT into USDC in other chain. So which we are doing is swap come bridge. So now let's do maximum. Let's click maximum. We have around $111. So just click on transfer. So you can see small amount of fees is available. So just click on transfer. First approve the transaction. After the approval transaction, you will get a actual transaction pop-up. So just confirm the transaction. Once that is done, you can see $0.5 is spent here. So once that is confirmed, your USDT tokens are successfully bridged from Binance Smart Chain to Avalanche chain. So now, for very important thing is, so we don't have the sufficient amount of Avalanche tokens for paying the gas fees on the Avalanche chain. So as I mentioned in the first video, we will be loading our wallet with a maximum cap of $500 only. Last week we already loaded around $450. So in this week we will add $7 more. So just copy your wallet address, go to Binance, buy at least $0.5 or $7 worth of AVX tokens. Just go to withdraw on Binance, paste your address, select Avalanche C chain, so small amount of fees will be applicable. Then enter the amount here, maybe 0.5 Avalanche or including the fees. After that, just click on withdraw. Once that is done, click on confirm, and once you are done, now you can see I got my 111 USDC tokens and small gas fees along with those tokens which were bridged to Avalanche, but that will be not sufficient for our coming activities. So now after 5 minutes, you can see my wallet balance is 451 at the start of this week, and now you can see my balance around $7 worth of tokens are added into Avalanche chain for paying the gas fees. So now let's move on. Now let's go to the trade.joy. So this is a DEX platform on Avalanche chain. So just click on connect wallet, connect your MetaMask here. So now we will swap our USDC into BTC.b token. So first here you can add the Avalanche token to your Avalanche network to your MetaMask. Then you can select the token as USDC, and destination token you have to type as BTC. So here you will get two options. You have to select BTC.b. So this is the token which is supported only in this BTC bridge. So that is very important. So you have to buy the correct token. So just select that and then click on max. We are swapping around 111 tokens to BTC.b. Just approve the USDT, confirm the transaction. Once that is done, you will get a swap button. So just click on swap and complete the swap transaction. So now we have successfully approved it. Just click on swap, confirm the swap transaction, and once that is done, we have successfully completed the swap transaction. So now we got some BTC.b tokens into your wallet. So you can see 0.0041 BTC.b tokens. So now let's move to the next important step. Now we need the Aptos wallet installed. So if you're not having Aptos wallet installed, so you can use Petra wallet. So I'm just leaving the link in the description below. Add this to Chrome, create the wallet, save your seed phrases somewhere, and then you can see our Aptos wallet is ready. So now we got 0 tokens here. So I'll show how you can bridge those BTC.b tokens to Aptos along with some gas fees. So now let's go to the BTC.b bridge. So this is a bridge, official bridge from LayerZero. In the bottom left you can see it is indicates the LayerZero. So this is the official bridge. So now we will be using this. So just click on connect wallet, select on EVM MetaMask. So now we are connecting MetaMask. On the Aptos chain you will select Petra wallet. So you can see connect Petra wallet, just approve it. So now we have connected both EVM and Aptos wallet to this network. So now from chain we will select Avalanche. So Avalanche chain we got some tokens, and to chain we will select Aptos. So you can see the balance here, 0.0041 BTC is available. Just select max and don't click on transfer rate. So you have to click on this gas fees option. So here you have the option to send some Aptos as a gas fees on the destination wallet. Just delete this amount and enter 0.1, and now you can see 0.1 AVAX will be used to convert it to 0.1 Aptos tokens. So just close this window, and now you can see gas on destination we got 0.1 APT. Now click on transfer, switch to Avalanche, approve the spend transaction, then you do the actual transaction. So once these two transactions are done, you have successfully used the bridge. So now you got the claim option after 60 seconds. So you can see the claim button. So just click on claim and claim your tokens on Aptos Petra wallet. So just click on confirm, and after that you can see the Petra wallet. Now we have received some tokens on Aptos, 0.09 APT tokens and 0.0041 BTC.b tokens. So we have successfully used the BTC bridge from LayerZero. So that is our first step and very important step. So now let's move on to the next bridge. So now let's go to the Aptos bridge. So Aptos bridge is also powered by LayerZero. So here one important thing you should keep in mind. So now what we are doing is we are bridging these BTC.b tokens from Aptos chain to our Binance Smart chain. So now it will take at least 2 to 3 days to receive on the chains, but we will complete the transaction today. So just click on connect wallet. On the EVM, connect MetaMask. On the Aptos, just connect your Petra wallet. So once that is, both the wallets are connected, now we can start the bridge transaction. So now we will be bridging from, you select BTC.b on Aptos, and here you can click on maximum, and to network you select as Binance Smart chain. So now after selecting max, you can see 0.0041 will be bridged to Binance Smart chain, and you can see the value of this token, which is 111.54 tokens. So because after this bridge you will not be able to see those tokens in your DBank, so nothing to worry. So those tokens are moved to the bridge and you will be receiving them after 3 days to your Binance Smart chain. So now just scroll down a bit and click on transfer, and now you can see Petra wallet pop up. So here you can see the fees 0.066 APT for fee, and remaining BTC.b tokens will be removed. So click on approve. And now we successfully completed the bridge transaction. So this particular tokens will be bridged and received on Binance Smart chain after 3 days. So here you can see the timer. After 3 days we will convert them back to the USDT. I will post those updates on my Twitter or in the coming week grinding. So now we have successfully used the LayerZero BTC bridge and Aptos bridge, and in my point of view very few users are grinding on these two bridges. So this is one good thing what we have done today. So that is the advantage. So let's move on. So let's move on to the next step of today's video. Now let's do some transactions on ZK Sync Era. Let's go to Mint Square. So this is a NFT marketplace built on ZK Sync Era. So just select the network as ZK Sync Era. Click on wallet. Click on connect wallet. Complete the just connect the wallet here. So now you can see the wallet is connected. Now we are on ZK Sync Era. Just scroll down a bit. Click on Mint button. Select any image. Under general, just type some name and then click on mint. So it will show $1, but after the gas refund you will be spending around $0.4. Just click on confirm. So now our NFT is minted successfully. If you go to our profile, you can see our NFT available. So now just click on this. Now you can see $0.47 is our total fees on ZK Sync Era. So just click on this NFT. Now let's sell this NFT. Just click on sell, click on unlock, and then you can approve the transaction. It will cost you around $0.1 in fees. So then you can select the price. So I'm giving a small price, 0.0005. Then just click on list and complete the MetaMask sign-in transaction. So once that is done, we have successfully listed our NFT. So in this stage, what we have done is we have successfully used Mint Square, we have minted the NFT, and we have listed the NFT, and we have done total 3 transactions in the ZK Sync Era. So let's move on to the next app. So we will go to mute.io. So I'll keep the link in description. This is another DEX built on ZK Sync Era. So from token you select as Ethereum, 2 tokens you select as USDC. Swap some small amount, 0.01 Ethereum to USDC. Just refresh the page if you get any error. Just click on swap. Complete the MetaMask transaction. Once that is done, you have successfully completed the transaction, and this transaction costed us around only $0.29. So that's all guys, that's what we have done this week. So we have successfully completed the activity on Aptos Bridge, BTC Bridge and Stargate Finance. We have done around total 15 transactions in our wallet in different chains. We also activated our Avalanche chain in the wallet, and then we have completed 5 transactions of ZK Sync Era. We have used 2 new dApps on ZK Sync Era, Mint Square, Mute.io and Mint Square. So that's all guys, that's about today's video's grinding. At the end of the video, I'll show you how much we have spent. So after adding $7 of gas fees at the start of video, we had around $451, and now what we have left with $337 in the wallet. Then minus 111, remember 111.54 tokens which are in the bridge, which will be shown in the wallet after 2 days. So if you minus that, we have spent only $2.46 for this week's activity, and with that we have completed 15 transactions, did multiple new dApp interactions. So that's why I'm telling guys, you follow my videos. So let's do the airdrop grinding in an easiest and with low cost budget. So now that's all guys, that's about today's video. So if you want any updates on this, do follow me on Twitter. So my Twitter link will be in the description below. So that's all guys, thanks for watching. Jai Hind.